Super fresh at hot off the press. Artista update para sa inyong mga beshi.
Finally, Kim Chiu visited Belo Medical Group Greenbelt. Sabi nga ni Doc Vicky, we recommended PicoSure Pro Plus exosomes for our Chinite princess because she wants clearer and brighter skin without downtime due to her daily taping of its showtime.
Kim is here! Finally, she never goes to Makati. I'm so excited.
Yes,
Siya
sabi
ba-
nga ni Doc, nakakuha ako ng visa to
Oo nga,
Makati.
may visa siya. But anyway, ang gagawin niya is a PicoSure. So this machine is really good for people who have marks and who don't want any downtime. I told her kasi maybe it would be good to do a bio-refill or something like that, but then that would give us some downtime. And since you're in showtime
Yes,
every day,
every day.
hindi raw pwede.
Walang downtime dapat.
So we will do PicoSure Pro. This is also the favorite machine of Lola Pascual. And we will put exosomes from better healing. Para talaga no downtime. At least wala talaga when I do it, there's zero downtime. Thank you for coming here.
Yes, mwah!
Super excited si Kim at na-share pa niya ang secret niya sa pagpapaputi ng kilikili, Gluta-C. Kaya naman, fans ni Kim, ito na ang chance niyong malaman ang kanyang beauty regimen. Meanwhile, Paolo Avellino is thrilled to share the latest Hyundai cars na i-unveil sa July 18 to 21 sa Alabang Town Center Activity Center. Mukhang ready na ang lahat para makita ang bagong models. And with Paolo's endorsement, siguradong mas maraming magkaka-interes. Kita-kits tayo doon at sabay-sabay nating i-explore ang mga bagong Hyundai cars na ito.